Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to fill all blank cell in Excel with a value. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet and you can see in this data I have some blank cell. So this cell I want to fill with a value. So simply select the full data. To select the full data, use the Ctrl A. First select the one cell inside this data, then press the Ctrl A, select the full data. Okay. After that, press the Ctrl G to open the Go to dialog box and click on the spatial option. And here in Go to spatial, just click on the blanks option and click on OK. And you can see the all blank cell here selected. Okay. Then enter the value those you want to fill. So I just want to enter here 111 and don't press the enter key, press the Control plus enter key. I just pressed here Control plus enter key and that's it. You can see all blank cell filled with the value. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.